Welcome back to Saturday Spa Night with Stevie the Blind Sphinx. Coconut oil before bath time always. Dad thinks Stevie and his brother played a little too rough with each other this week. Stevie doesn't give a shit. Rinse the little man down. Lather in kitty shampoo and foil escape attempts for 90 seconds. Rinse. I dry him as quickly as possible. BC, he always shakes so bad in his towel. I just love him so much. Time to clean his eye sockets. Sometimes he's weird about me touching them. Sometimes he doesn't care. He never likes me putting this stuff in his ears. But he loves when I rub them to get it in there. I always trim nails last. Ready for another week of shenanigans.